I can understand. 2017, 15 people are watching him. What's going on? Highest rating 25-30. He's playing this chess actually. What is this? I can't understand. Okay, maybe I'm not going to block him, but I can't really understand why he's playing like that. Why he played this stupid game. Let's play. A guy from Turkey. The London is here. 92. All right, let's go. It took so much time for him to play this. Castling was better, I guess, but okay. Let's castle right now. Let's go here, let's go there. E5 is coming. Okay, and where is the problems actually? I mean, what he's going to play? How he's going to press me or do something? Yeah, I'm going here. I can take the knight if I want. Yeah, I'm threatening. Oh my lands, what? I'm going here. Okay, I need to think actually, I need to think because I think I'm winning. Okay, let's go here to double the pawns. Maybe to release the... he's threatening this one, the tricky guy. Okay, let's go here. We will see. Where are you going to play? You cannot go in the light squares actually. You have to play there, right? Okay. You have to go there. And after this and this, I'm threatening 2 pawns and queen d7. Queen f5 maybe was better, but... And now this way, wow. Very strange. If this one I'm going to play, yeah, this one, and I'm coming, I have this juicy square. Wow, really wow. I can't really ignore him, so I need to do something. Maybe this one. Protect everything, avoid the pin. What happened again here? I don't understand. Okay, let's play fast. This way. Okay, let's go back. Let's go here. It looks lovely to go there. Okay, exchange the knight. I'm going to take a pawn, but it's not the end of the world. Maybe I should do something more than this. And this more is something like that. Exchanges, thing there. A6, let's say. Wow. I have to do that. He could blunder this pawn. Okay, take. I'm going to play this and d4. I don't know if I have time. I have time actually, what I'm saying. I have time. This one, I didn't see this. Exchanging of the queens is a good idea. Let's go, why to go there? Let's try to do my plan. I'm going to do my plan. He would like to go there and to protect that pawn. So, okay, I can understand him. And right now, f6, it's losing a piece. No, it's not losing a piece. I'm trying to take there, so he don't have this move. Defend again. This should be a pre-move, I guess. What are you threatening? Okay. Have to take this. Maybe. Everybody will take. Everybody will take. Okay, I'm not exchanging. I'm threatening mate in 1. It wasn't mate in 1, by the way. He lost on time. What happened during that game? Oh, I didn't like to play a rematch. I'd like to analyze the game, but okay, let's play. Again, this stupid thing. E6. Okay, I think this is good because your knight is under attack. Okay, fantastic. I love these moves. H4, H5, it's good. Ah, you allowed me to play. Okay. You allowed me to play this. Very nice guy. Now I'm threatening bishop g5 and bishop g5, knight e4, I don't know. Bishop g5 first of all. Do you? Whoa. Really nice stuff. Really nice stuff. Who is going to win? Okay, let's play this way. I'm not happy. I made a mistake actually, huh? Very tricky again. Very, very tricky. You're a tricky guy. Wow, what? Wow. I'm going to blunder something, I feel it. Okay, let's play this to open up lines for my pieces. Knight e4, why didn't play that one? Knight e4 was nice as well. I played badly. Ah, you went there. Okay. Oof, let's see. I thought that I have this very strong move, but I'm not sure. I think this is nice because I'm threatening a lot of things here. I didn't expect the moves that he played, and now he's completely losing. He can take with the knight. Okay, he will have problems to his king. I'm taking the queen. What am I doing? Completely stupid. I forgot about that. It was what? It was what? Not rematch. Just analyze the game. What happened here? What happens? And all of you, you're watching, you're very welcome to subscribe if you like. And I don't understand why sometimes 5 people accidentally are watching. I played with one person, and usually only one person should go back. And this is, I don't know, maybe I'm going to open up the analysis in order to check right now what is happening. And after these moves, e6, it's not a real move. e6 with g6. You can see that it is +1, right? I think you can see it clearly here. And after this move and that, you're continue losing. It's almost losing. 1.5. I played this. I wasn't sure there. f5 computer is suggesting. It wasn't the best move. I don't know. Knight f3, maybe it was better. And now e5, obviously it's +3, and we have only, how many moves here? I don't know, it's 6 moves. Okay, who is this guy, by the way? Who is this guy? I can't understand. Who is this person? And why he's playing like this? 2017. Okay, he's playing for a while. So I'm not going to block him. He didn't see during the games. And after this I played data expecting h5, but he never did it. Maybe I have something better. d5. At d5 now it's okay. I cannot really find these moves because you can just capture here, right? You cannot. I have f4. This is the idea. And if you just take here, and after this, knight f3, say the computer, okay, I cannot find these moves, alright. But what he played very stupid moves. And now it's 5. He played this, I just capture everything. And now maybe I can take en passant, or first of all taking here. And what is the difference? Queen to b3, I'm threatening. And after this, let's say, I can take on b2, b7, whoa. This was the punishment. It should be some punishment, right? Because what are you doing exactly? And after that I'm threatening the queen. He played f6, the only move. Okay, exchanges. And now of course she cannot take. And after that I wasn't sure here. Yeah, it's not winning or something. I lost my advantage somehow. But what was better? Complicated, huh? Queen d2, or I don't know, but I lost the advantage where I need to attack the knight first of all, maybe something like this. Okay, and now d6, maybe knight e4 was better. Now I'm losing after queen d6. I played a mistake. Yeah, I played a mistake. And now I was expecting queen to d8, but he didn't learn to go backward to defend everything. He just learned to attack the pieces. And he didn't capture this knight, obviously. He played this mistake. But again, it's not 100% mistake. And after that, okay, he blundered the queen. But what's going on here? We have this check, right? Okay. And after this, he has this move. Computer suggests this one because he's protecting the square. Whoa. Crazy game. Crazy game.
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.